Okay, we worked on the mouth. So you can see where we've cut it down in here. So I think we're going to be okay for now. I think we got enough gap to be able to open and close the mouth okay. I won't know until I get my stuff hooked up inside. So we got everything we need for the inside, and to finish, we got 24-inch nylon string. I've got a 1-inch ring. This is for your string. Got 2 of these small eye hooks. One's going to go here, which the spring will attach to, and one will go back here for your string to tie your string onto. We got our 1-inch hinge, which is going to attach to this piece, and we have our block, which will attach to this. Then the mouth is going to open and close properly. This gets attached inside the head. This will go in here. And we will screw it in from the sides to hold that in. And then we have our 1/2-inch dowel, which goes in here, and that's for our string to come up and over. So we get everything we need here to finish this up on the inside, which is probably takes longer than anything else is hooking up your inside. Make sure and everything's working properly. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thank you.